So when I saw the fact that I could create stores within DecoNetwork, that's where I was sold. Once I took the tour of Deco, I decided that was it. This is the one I was going to choose. So of course, I scoured the internet for every single type of back-end system. I was trying to find like a CRM, but then also something that was going to help me manage my orders. That was one thing that we did not do so well in my previous company, was managing orders, and everything was on paper, everything was Excel. Things could get lost or we forget something. And I'll tell you, since we've gotten Deco, I have not had I'm not gonna win. We have not had a missed order yet, just because the back-end system is so great and the flow of it is so good. But I just kind of scoured and was looking, and the main thing I was looking for was a way. And I'm not gonna lie, I was looking for something that would integrate with Shopify, because at that time I was using Shopify and I needed something, and I could not find anything that would integrate. So when I saw the fact that I could create stores within DecoNetwork, that's where I was sold, because I knew that my target market and who I was gonna reach to was gonna be those small businesses. I also wanted to make sure that there was an easy flow, because there was going to be orders coming in from all different directions, and I was going to be able to manage that back end. So once I took the tour of Deco, I decided that was it. This is the one I was going to choose. I've been able to set up broker pricing, wholesale pricing, retail pricing. So just depending who orders off of our website and what login credentials, that's the pricing that they get. So that, to me, is like one of the best things, because then I can, as I get new clients and I create accounts for them, then I can set them up with a different pricing model, depending on who they are and what they're gonna do. Every month, I'm progressing, I'm adding something new, I'm figuring out a new thing within Deco that is gonna help us further along, and something more that I can offer to our customers.